Hi, this is Suzanne from SL Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble my Union flag teacup and saucer. So once you've cut everything out, you need to score and fold all of those score lines. Then for the saucer, you need to apply some glue to the tab there, and then join the two ends together. Then take the two hexagons, and you need to make sure that the join is at the top left there. Then glue the Union flag hexagon to the top. Try to get it centered over all of those tabs. And make sure that the flag is this way round. Then glue the white hexagon to the base. And make sure that it's all pressed down. Now for the teacup piece, once it's all been folded, you need to apply some glue to the tab that says Glue Tab 1 and on the small triangular tab next to it. Then attach them to the next side, making sure that it's all lined up. Then do the same with Glue Tab 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now you should be left with Glue Tab 6 open. Next, take the two handles and fold those two tabs back. Then glue the two pieces back to back. And those two tabs need to be glued onto tab 6 like this, matching up A and B. And then tab 6 can be glued into place. Again, just making sure that everything's lined up. And that's the teacup and saucer finished. And here's my Union flag teapot box to go with it. The link for that will be coming up now. So you can make your own little Union flag tea set.